Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to create this stitch, crochet. So I saw it's called star stitch or flower stitch, however you want to call it. It does not have a right side or a wrong side, so it's going to be pretty neat on accessories and or garments, or really any project you like. We will be using chains, single crochet and double crochet, 3 basic stitches, nothing complicated. I did make a bottom and top row, or base and top row, but this design itself has only 4 rows repeat using some random yarn that requires a 4mm hook. This design will look good with starting crochet thread all the way up to medium worsted weight yarn. I would not try it with anything heavier, but it's up to you. As always, the chart or the diagram is at the end of the video. I'll make it long enough for you to either take a screenshot or take a picture of it and save it on your Pinterest board or somewhere where you like. All right, if you are ready, grab a yarn, crochet hook, let's get to work. This stitch calls for multiples of 16 plus 3 at the end. Here I have 35, so 32 plus 3. First row is our base row. We will double crochet into the 4th chain from the hook, and then we will put 1 double crochet into each chain till the end of the row. This will give you a little better impression of how the stitch will look like in a project, a garment, or a scarf. If you don't want to, you can absolutely skip this first step till the end. And this is the base row. I ended up with 33 double crochets. Now we'll turn and we'll start with the first row of the design. Chain 3 counts as a double crochet. 2 more double crochets into the first stitch. Skip 2. Single crochet into the next, chain 1, skip 1, single crochet into the next, skip 2, 5 double crochets into the next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this will be your repeat. Skip 2, single crochet into the next, chain 1, skip 1, single crochet into the next, skip 2, 5 double crochets into the next, so on until the end of your row. At the end of the row, skip 2 and 3 double crochets into the last. 1, 2, and 3. And there we go. If you want to change colors, that will look good too, but in my opinion, solid color will look a little better. Chain 3 counts as a double crochet. 1 double crochet into the next 4 stitches, so into the next double crochet, into the next double crochet, into the single crochet, and into the chain 1 space. Chain 3, double crochet into the middle or into the third double crochet of this shell. So you had 5 double crochet into the third, regardless of from which side you're counting. Chain 3, skip 3, so the 2 double crochets and the single crochet, and 1 double crochet into the next 9. So we skip the double crochet, skip the double crochet, skip the single crochet, work into the chain 1 space. 1 into the single crochet, 2 into each of the shell, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, into the single crochet, 8, and into the chain 1 space, 9. And now the repeat starts. Chain 3, skip the single crochet, the 2 double crochets, and work a double crochet into the third double crochet of the next shell. Chain 3, skip the 2 double crochets and the single crochet, and a double crochet into the chain 1 space. Then next, if the row is longer, you will have the next shell. So see, we work double crochets into this shell, 1 into this, full set into the next shell, 1 double crochet into this, and the next one will be a full set, but because we're at the end of the row, we will just finish what we have. So double crochet into the single crochet and into the each double crochet of the next fan. Here into the third chain from the beginning of the previous row. This is what we have. Turn. This will be the third row of the design. Chain 1. This doesn't count as a stitch. A single crochet into the very first and single crochet into the next. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and move all the way here. So we're skipping 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can single crochet into the chain 3 space, or you can single crochet into the stitch next to the, or into the chain next to the double crochet. That's what I prefer. So single crochet there, chain 1, skip the double crochet and single crochet into the next, or you can single crochet into the arch. It will work either way. And this is how you're gonna keep going. Chain 5, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, skip 5 here. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, single crochet, chain 1, skip 1, single crochet into the next. So see whether it was this one, I single crocheted, chained 1, skipped 1, single crocheted into the chains, and here I'm single crochet into the double crochets. Chain 5, skip 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, single crochet into the chain, chain 1, skip the double crochet, and single crochet into the next chain, chain 5, skip 5, 1 2 3 4 5, and 1 single crochet into the last 2 stitches of the row. And this one will go into the 3rd chain from the beginning of the previous row, and everything is looking pretty symmetrical. You can see the bottom of the flowers. Turn. We'll be working on the 4th row of the design. Chain 3 counts as a double crochet, and put 4 more double crochets into the next 4 stitches. So 1 into the next 4, 1 into the next single crochet. If you want to, you can work into the arch or into the chains. Didn't choose a very good yarn, this one. Splitting. So we need total of 5, 4, and into the next chain, 5. The reason I prefer to put to work into the chains is so if it's a garment, the stitches are not moving back and forth. Chain 3, skip 3, 1 2 3, double crochet into the next, so it should fall into the chain 1 space from the previous row. This is also a good option to check if your stitch number is correct. Chain 3, skip 3, 1 into the next 9. So skipping the single crochet, 1 2 3, and working into the next 9 stitches total, 9 double crochets total. 1, and this is what we have, and continue so on. Chain 3, skip 3, double crochet into the next, so into the chain 1 space, chain 3, skip 3, 1 double crochet into the next 9, or for us till the end of the row. 1 2 3. So we should end up with 5 double crochets, just like we started. So 1 2 3 4 and 5. Oh, everything is correct. This is what we have, and this is it. These are all the repeats. So we're gonna go back to row number 1 of the design, or 2nd row of this part. So basically you will be repeating rows 1 to 4 all the way around until it depends how long you want the design to be. All right, chain 3 counts as our first double crochet, 2 more double crochets into the first stitch, skip 2, single crochet into the next, chain 1, skip 1, single crochet into the next. That's gonna be into the chain, skip 2, 1 2, 5 double crochets into the next. Here again, to double check you have all the correct numbers of stitches, the fan or the shell will fall into the double crochet from previous row. 3, 4, 5, skip 2, single crochet into the next, chain 1, skip 1, single crochet into the next. Same till the end. Skip 2, 5 double crochets into the next, skip 2, single crochet into the next, chain 1, skip 1, single crochet into the next. Again, skip 2, 5 double crochets into the next, so it wasn't a double crochet, skip 2, single crochet into the next, chain 1, skip 1, single crochet into the next. And to finish off the row, we'll skip 2 and put 3 double crochets into the third chain from the beginning of the previous row. 2 and 3. And there we go. And now you can rewind the video to row number 2 of the pattern. And this was the second repeat of row number 4 of the design. Let's say whatever project you're working on, if this is a scarf or a garment or whatever, if you would like to finish the project, I would suggest that you finish with this row of repeat of row number 4 and then turn, chain 3 counts as a double crochet, and you will put 1 double crochet in each stitch in chain across. This will give it a finished look. Or another option, let's say if you are working with multiple colors, you can do 2 repeats or 1 repeat and separate them by double crochets, double crochet and then another section, double crochet, another section. This way the color change will make more sense. I mean, the possibilities are endless, however creative you decide to be. And obviously the number of these double crochets should equal the number of the base. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial and will give it a try. If you want to or feel like it, please share your creations on Facebook or Instagram. The links are down in the description box. I think I am going to create something. It's a really pretty stitch. You guys take care. I'll see you next time. Bye.